Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: in a scenario where ServiceNow Discovery is unable to access certain devices due to network segmentation, what strategies would you employ to address the issue? Your answer should be: addressing network segmentation issues in ServiceNow Discovery involves: first point, identifying specific network segments causing discovery challenges. Second point, collaborating with network administrators to adjust firewall rules and permissions. Third point is configuring MID servers strategically to cover segmented areas. Fourth point, utilizing discovery probes that are capable of handling segmented networks. Fifth and last point is adjusting discovery schedules to align with network segmentation policies. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: explain the role of vertical discovery maps in ServiceNow and how they contribute to visualizing the relationships between configuration items. Your answer should be: vertical discovery maps in ServiceNow visually represent the relationships and dependencies between configuration items (CIs) in a hierarchical manner. They contribute to visualization by offering a vertical representation of how different CIs are connected within a specific area of the IT infrastructure. Vertical discovery maps provide insights into layering and dependencies, enhancing the understanding of vertical relationships. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow, service mapping, and discovery is: how does ServiceNow Discovery contribute to the process of vulnerability management? And what considerations are important for identifying and managing vulnerabilities effectively? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: ServiceNow Discovery contributes to vulnerability management by: first point, identifying software versions and configurations prone to vulnerabilities. Second point, correlating discovered data with vulnerability databases to assess risk. Third point, automating the update of CMDB records with vulnerability information. Fourth point, facilitating the integration of vulnerability scanning tools into the discovery process. Fifth point, ensuring that vulnerability data is regularly updated and correlated for accurate risk assessment. Our next interview question based on service mapping and discovery is: can you provide an example of a scenario where custom probes might be necessary in ServiceNow Discovery and how they can be implemented to address specific requirements? Your answer should be: Custom probes in ServiceNow Discovery might be necessary in scenarios where specific devices or technologies require specialized data collection methods. For example, if a unique network device uses a proprietary communication protocol, a custom probe can be created to interact with that device and collect relevant information. Custom probes are implemented using scripting languages like JavaScript to address specific data collection requirements. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.